Sometimes we are not able to solve the differential equation using the methods that we have just learned, that is homogeneous form. So what we need to do is we need to bring it or convert it into a homogeneous form. So for example, let's say we have dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by ax plus by plus c dash. Why I'm using c dash is it's difficult to differentiate between capital C and small c when we are writing it by hand. Now here A, B, C, capital A, capital B, capital or C dash are constants such that A by capital A is not equal to B by capital B. So you have to make sure of this. Now to solve, what do we do? To solve, let x is equal to capital X plus H and y is equal to capital Y plus K. Now this implies dx is equal to dx and this implies dy is equal to dy. Okay. Now here H and K are to be determined. So now let's use this and say that dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. Now here we have dy by dx and here we have dy by dx. So let's combine these two. So we get dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by ax plus by plus c dash. Now let's substitute x with capital X plus h. So a capital X plus h plus b times capital Y plus k plus c divided by capital A x plus h plus capital B y plus k plus c prime or c dash. Now ax plus by plus, I'm just parallelly grouping ah plus bk plus c. So we can group this together and this together. Similarly, ax plus by plus ah plus bk plus c dash. Now here let's try to let's make this and this 0, make them disappear. Now how can we make them disappear? So we choose the values of h and k such that ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0, ah plus bk plus c dash is equal to 0. So you end up with linear equations simultaneous. So let's solve this. Okay, now we can't really solve it without values. So because of this, here our equation becomes dy by dx is equal to ax plus by by ax plus by, and this is a homogeneous equation. Now remember the procedure for homogeneous equation: y is equal to vx, and proceed further. Now remember we put a condition saying ki A by A should not be equal to B by B. But if they are equal, what do we do? Let's say it is equal to lambda. Now if it is equal, then this method is not possible. Then what we do is we say A by A equal to lambda, B by B is equal to lambda, A is equal to A lambda, B is equal to B lambda. So our dy by dx becomes ax plus by plus c by ax by plus c dash. Okay, now we substitute a lambda x plus b lambda y plus c divided by ax plus by plus c dash, and in the numerator let's take out common lambda out, so we end up with ax plus by plus c divided by ax plus by plus c dash. This is dy by dx. Now this is reducible to variable separable form. So we say v is equal to ax plus by, or z is equal to whatever letter you choose. So therefore dy by dx becomes lambda v plus c by v plus c dash, and proceed further. Okay, let's see how this works. Let's solve a problem. Let's say we have 2x plus 3y minus 5 dy by dx plus 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now let's move it around. We get dy by dx is equal to minus 3x plus 2y minus 5 by 2x plus 3y minus 5. Now let's say x is equal to capital X plus h, y is equal to capital Y plus k. Dx by dx is equal to 1. Dy by dy is equal to 1. So which means dx is equal to dx, dy is equal to dy. We can combine them and say dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. Now here this and this are same, so let's combine them. Dy by dx is equal to minus 3x. So let's substitute x with x plus h plus 2 capital Y plus k minus 5 divided by 2x plus h plus 3y plus k minus 5. Now let's regroup them. 3x plus 2y plus 3h plus 2k minus 5 by 2x plus 3y plus 2h plus 3k minus 5. So we group this together and we group this together. And now what we do is we say let h and k be such that 3h plus 2k minus 5 is equal to 0, so that it disappears. Similarly 2h plus 3k minus 5 equal to 0, so that this also disappears. Simultaneous linear equations. So let's solve them. h by minus 10 plus 15 minus 10 minus minus 15 is equal to k by minus 10 plus 15 is equal to 1 by 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. Okay, so now it's just a question of solving it. Raise h is equal to 1. Similarly, k by 5 is equal to 1 by 5, which implies k is equal to 1. So that means in our equation dy by dx is equal to 3x plus 2y by 2x plus 3y. The other part is gone. And by the way, don't forget there is a minus sign here. Now it is in variable separable form. So let's say y is equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. We get v plus dv by dx times x. So v plus dv by dx times x is equal to minus 3x plus 2y by 2x plus 3y. Now let's substitute y. So minus 3x plus 2vx by 2x plus 3vx. So here all the terms have x in both numerator and denominator, so it disappears. We can cancel them out. So 3 plus 2v by 2 plus 3v. We can bring this v to this side. Now they both are negative, so let's make them positive and make this negative. So 3 plus 2v plus 2v plus 3v square by 2 plus 3v. 3 plus 4v plus 3v square by 2 plus 3v. Now let's separate the variables now. So dv is there times 2 plus 3v by 3 plus 4v plus 3v square is equal to dx by x. Let this be here minus. Okay, so now integrate plus c. Now let's see what happens if we differentiate this 3v square plus 4v plus 3. If we differentiate, we get 6v plus 4. 6v plus 4. 6v plus 4. Yes. If we multiply this by 2, we can get this 6v plus 4. So let's multiply it by half, or rather 2 by 2. Let's multiply it by 2 by 2. 1 by 2 we take it out, and this becomes 6v plus 4 dv by 3v square plus 4v plus 3 is equal to minus dx plus x plus c. Now by looking at this itself, you realize log will come up. So let's not use c. Let's use, let's say, p. Okay. Now let's integrate it. 1 by 2 times log of 3v square plus 4v plus 3. Let's differentiate this to see whether we get back that. Log of this is 1 by this times the differential of this. So 6v plus 4 dv. Okay. This will become what? This will become minus log x plus Since we are talking of logs, since we will end up with logs, let's have them as log p, log p, log p. Okay, now this half can go up, so log of 3v square plus 4v plus 3 half plus log x is equal to, or let's bring in that also here, not plus, minus log p is equal to 0. Now let's combine them. So log x times 3v square plus 4v plus 3 to the power of 1 by 2. This will become division by, so let's leave it on the other side itself, log p. Now we want to get rid of this 1 by 2, so square this side and square this side. So what do we get? Log x square 3v square plus 4v plus 3, 1 by 2 times 2 becomes 1, is equal to log p square. Now let's say we want to get rid of this log also, so e to the power of e to the power of, so this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, so x square 3v square plus 4v plus 3 is equal to p square. Let c is equal to p square, so this becomes c. Now x is what? Remember, lowercase x is x plus h, and what? Lowercase y is equal to y plus k, and what else? Y is equal to v x. So let's do the necessary substitutions. Capital X square, so here capital X becomes x minus h, capital Y becomes y minus k, v becomes y by x. Okay, now let's do the substitutions. X is equal to, no, not even now, we know x is, h is 1, and we know y is equal to 1. No, y minus k is 1. X is equal to 1, h is equal to 1, and k is equal to 1. We have already seen here. Okay, now our equation becomes what? X square times, let's write that equation first, 3v square plus 4v plus 3 is equal to c. X minus 1 square 3 times v is y by x square plus 4 times y by x plus 3 equal to c. Now x minus 1 square y minus 1 by x minus 1 square plus 4 times y minus 1 by x minus 1 plus 3. Okay, x minus 1 square 3 times y minus 1 square by x minus 1 square, so these two get cancelled, plus 4 times y minus 1 by x minus 1 times x minus 1 square, so one of these gets cancelled, plus 3 times x minus 1 square equal to c. So 3y minus 1 square plus 4x minus 1 times y minus 1 plus 3 times x minus 1 square equal to c. 3y square minus 3 to 6y minus plus 3 plus 4xy minus 4 x minus 4y plus 4 plus 3x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to C. 3x square plus 4xy plus 3y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 3 plus 4 7 plus 3 10 equal to C. If you remember, this type of equation, this form of the equation we have seen in ellipses. Okay, so should be able to relate. Okay, so we have got the solution. Now here you might have noticed that it is a very long process, right? It is a long process and chance of making mistakes are very high. So that is why you need to take it step by step. The only thing you have to remember is the major steps. Rest all is just basically simplifications. So you have to remember, in case it is not a homogeneous equation, then you have to do this substitution, arrive at dy by dx, then equate these two, then simplify and try to make this 0, make this disappear. You will end up with simultaneous linear equations. Solve that. You will get the value of h and k, and since they have disappeared, your equation becomes homogeneous equation now. Do the substitution normal for what the procedure that we follow for homogeneous equations. You start following that. Now then you do reversing of the substitutions. Substitute back the original x's and y's. Substitute the value of v and then simplify. Now there is another way in which you can do this same problem. Let's see. 2x plus 3y minus 5 dy plus 3x plus 2y minus 5 dx is equal to 0. Now here 2x dy and 2y dx, so coefficient is same, so let's regroup them. So 3y minus 5 dy plus 3x minus 5 dx plus 2x dy plus 2y dx equal to 0. Okay, so let's again rearrange them. 3x minus 5 dx plus 3y minus 5 dy plus 2 times x dy plus y dx equal to 0. Now integrate. So when we integrate, what happens? This becomes 3x square by 2 minus 5x plus 3y square by 2 minus 5x. So 2 times integral of derivative of xy. Yes, if we differentiate xy, we get x dy plus y dx. Chain rule is equal to, and let's say this is c, or let's keep it a different letter, k. Now here this integral and differential, they cancel out each other. So 3x square minus 10x plus 3y square minus 10x plus 4xy is equal to 2k. 3x square plus 4xy plus 3y square minus 10x. This somewhere we have missed. This is y. This is y. So minus 10y is equal to 2k. Now this 2k, we can say p is equal to 2p. P is equal to 2k. So p. Now if you compare this solution with the previous solution, this entire thing is same. The only thing that is missing is the constant 10. So the solution is very close, but not exactly. But the procedure is very small. So what you can do is, to get the exact result, you can solve it using the previous longer method and then verify it using the shorter method. Okay, by the way, so here I think that's enough for today. Bye for now.